Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ultimate Tech Hub. Today we're going to be installing bike wheel lights, and this product is called Activ lights. These bike wheel lights can be installed on wheels from 12 inches up to 29 inches. They are waterproof and batteries are included. So let's open the box to see what's inside. First thing you get is the battery case with the wired lights. It's all attached in one. Just a heads up, we chose blue lights for our son's bike, but there are many other colors you can choose. And these are the two rubber clips that will be used to attach to your bike. And here are the 3 batteries we'll need to install. And here are the instructions. This seems pretty easy, so let's get started. To install the battery, simply unscrew the top, then pull out the battery compartment like this, then insert the batteries. Wherever there is a spring, the bottom of the battery should be a negative. And it's that easy. Now just slide it back in and reattach the cap. Now let's go ahead and attach the battery case to the wheel. In most cases, you're going to use just one rubber gasket. However, if the center of your wheel is very large, then you'll need to use 2. Next, go ahead and place it inside your wheel. Once you get the battery compartment inside, use the rubber gasket to wrap around the wheel and then attach it to the other side of the battery compartment. Okay, now the battery's connected. Let's go ahead and test it and make sure it works. And it does. This rubber gasket's pretty tight, so it can be difficult to get that gasket all the way around the wheel and onto the battery compartment. But once it's on, it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, now here comes the fun part. Start running the wire up towards the valve. Get as close to the wheel as possible. Then wrap it a couple times. And then start going in and out of the spokes all the way around the tire. Once you complete a full circle, then just tie it off. You can use scissors to remove any extra wire that's not needed. And that's it. We're done. Let's go ahead and test it out. Here's the flashing mode. And this is the steady mode. Like I said before, there are many colors to choose from. Now let's go ahead and test it out at night and see what it looks like. Wow, it looks really good. The number one reason we bought these lights is so when our son's outside playing at night on his bike, other cars can see him. So it's a really good safety product. As far as durability, I'm not sure yet. We've had these for about 2 weeks. But I will update you in the comment section in a couple of months and let you know how they go. Well guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like these videos, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love them, hit subscribe. It's free.